Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make customized gears and print them on 3D printer. I'm working on an Arduino project that requires quite a lot of them, so I thought that would be a useful tutorial to put on my channel. We will be creating two types of gears, smaller and a larger one, to achieve a 1-to-2 transmission that will allow us to transform a movement from 180 degrees to 360 degrees. We'll create the gear design in Tinkercad. We'll use several basic shapes to build it. Now that we have this basic shape built, we can rotate it 5 times . Gear is nearly ready. Now we need a hole to be able to mount it. We can start building a larger gear. It's going to be twice as large and it's going to have twice as many teeth. The large gear will have 20 teeth, so to calculate the angle with which we need to rotate, we divide 360 degrees by 20 and we receive 18 degrees. We just need few more extra things. We need a base to mount those gears on, and also I will print a handle on the larger gear to be able to turn it around. I will print small indicators on each gear that will allow us to see clearly the transition of movement and transitions of 180 degrees movement into 360 degrees movement. The gears are ready, so we can export the STL object and open it in Cura and prepare for printing. Fixed the base to the piece of wood, and now we are ready to mount the gears. We are mounting them in this way that the indicators on each gear are aligned. With indicators aligned, when you turn the large gear, you see that after completing a 360 degrees movement, the small gear is actually doing twice as much, so 2 times 360. Let me know how you like this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.